Good day, everyone. Once again, this is another episode of Cooking Tips with G-Rod. Once again, happy Memorial Day, everyone. Quick, simple recipe. Roasted salsa on the barbecue. All you're doing here is taking tomatoes, just cut them in rings, onions, some peppers, and I got here some jalapeno peppers. You just toss them in some olive oil and some salt and pepper, and you toss them right onto your grill. If you have one of these, what I got going here, it's a little thing for vegetables so nothing falls through the grill. You're just gonna roast them like you would roast any other vegetable. Okay? Thank you. We're back. See? Now we got the vegetables nice and grilled. You can blacken them, some of them, it really doesn't matter. Okay? We're gonna take a stick blender. This is more of a stick blender, immersive blender. Okay? You can either put it into a food processor, put it into your blender, but I use the immersive blender. Turn it on, you're gonna grind it all up. Don't grind it up too much because you still want it a little chunky. And if you want, you can add some cilantro, some hot cayenne pepper or chili powder to make it more spicy, but that's to your taste. Actually, you can all weigh in. Actually, what would you like? More chili powder, more cayenne pepper, or do you want to just leave it with the jalapenos? Okay? And that's your finished product. Your roasted salsa. It's a perfect dish for the summertime. Thank you very much.